Okay, then let's think about this normal distribution more. So I actually set up two more data set here. So mu is exactly same value, 75, but as you see, sigma value are different here. So second set I set up sigma 9.1, and third set sigma is 6.7 here. Okay. So now I'm gonna follow what I did on this data set, also draw the distribution. So let's see what happened. So this data set, mean value is exactly same as previous data set here. And now when I just find out distribution of data set on the right side and the left side, in the previous one I add 8.2, right? But this one I have to add 9.1 instead because the given sigma value is 9.1. So the first sigma value, this will be 84.1 instead. And second one is 93.2. Okay. Now the left side, I still subtract 9.1 from 75. Then the first left sigma value equal to 65.9, and then second sigma left will be 56.8. Okay. I also show the third set here. So I just draw the normal curve. Okay. Then the center will be 75. Now this case, before the first set I add 8.2, right? And the second set I add 9.1, but this set I have to add 6.7 because there's a given sigma value here. So from the 75, the first sigma from the right side will be 81.7. This is 81.7, and next one is 88.4. So the left side, so 75 minus 6.7. So the first one, 68.3. Second one, 61.6. Okay, so I'm gonna just make a little bit smaller this data set here, so we can see at a one screen. So all the mean value are exactly same, this 75 on this line here. Okay, but based on the sigma value, now the distribution range is changed. So the first set is between 58.6 to 91.4. The second set 56.8 to 93.2, and third one 61.6 to 88.4. So even though the same mean value distribution, because sigma value are different here, so now we cannot compare. So if I merge them together, do you know what's going to happen here? You know, this set, so if I just try to merge them, the first set is, it will cover between 58.6 to 91.4 somehow. So I'm going to say this is 58.6 to 91.4. So it's a first set here. But now, second one, which is 56.8 to 93.2. So it looks like maybe somehow like this, so that it cover between 56.8 to 93.2 here. And third one, which is a little shrink because of the even same second sigma negative sigma value equal to 61.6, so I can make somehow like that. So that value equal to 61.6, and the positive 2 sigma value equal to 88.4. Okay, so even though we measure the same, the negative 2 sigma and positive 2 sigma, but the data sets look very different here. Therefore, they are all unit distribution. Unit distribution means we cannot compare, the data set. Okay, but mathematicians, they just want to stop not comparing unique distribution value. No, they want to do it, right? Therefore, they actually create another one, which is standard normal distribution, which will follow next video. Okay.